Welcome back to the CSC Garage. Today we're going to be looking at the new TT250 model and specifically the dash of that model. As you know, the new TT250 has LED tail lights, LED headlights, new low profile turn signals with LEDs in them, but also the dash is a little different. We want to show you each of those features. So let's take a closer look. Okay, let's take a look at the new TT250 dash. Turn the ignition on. One of the first things you'll notice is the neutral indicator light. Now while you're riding and shifting through gears, it'll show you gears 1 through 5. This is first gear. The dash also has your fuel gauge on the right side. It's close to being empty right now. Tachometer, speedometer, odometer. If I press select, it goes to the trip A, trip B, select again back to the odometer. If I hold down select for a long pause, it switches from miles to kilometers. So to switch back, hold down again for a long pause. If I press set, it switches the backlight color. You can toggle back and forth. I can erase the trip, hit select, go to the trip. I'm on trip A, and then I'm going to hold select down again for a long pause. Takes it to 0. Trip B, there's 4 miles now. Hold select, resets to 0, but I still keep that cumulative total on my odometer of 4 miles. Indicator lights for the turn signals. High beam, low beam. This is the passing lamp, the flash of the high beam. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for joining us once again at the CSC Garage. We hope that this video made it a little more easy to operate the new features on your TT250 dash. And remember, if you need any stock or aftermarket parts, such as aluminum handlebars, upgraded chains, lower tooth count sprockets, be sure to check us out at cscmotorcycles.com. And as always, enjoy the ride.